Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K65 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to manage profiles of your keyboard. To manage keyboard profiles, let's go to iCUE app. On the left side we've got profiles. Tap plus to add profile and tap 3 button to export profile, set as default, rename or duplicate. To delete, tap this button. You can also link apps to your profile or change profile image. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.